just want to do a quick video. I figured out that I have too many guitars and not enough straps, so I went on Amazon and I found a great deal on straps. Let's see. The brand is Irich, I guess, and you get 3 straps for £15, which is about €17, which is a very great deal. So I figured I'd pull the trigger and see what they're like. So let's take a look. Packaging is okay. It's like bubble wrap inside a plastic bag. Not too bad. And then another plastic bag for the actual straps. So yeah, first impression, the colour's good. Got 3 different colours. It's a bit tiny. Let's see if I can adjust it. It is adjustable, so I'm probably just being ridiculous. It's only tiny because it's not adjusted. Right? Yeah. Okay, yeah, they're actually pretty long when you adjust them. Or the correct length anyway. Doubt that's real leather, it's probably pleather. Plastic bits to attach, but that's pretty common even in, you know, expensive straps. It's got a cool pattern on it. It said the pattern was devils. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't really see devils there, like Incan art or something. Similar pattern on each, but 3 different colours. Apparently this one says rock you on it, which yeah, the colours are nice. Red, blue and orangey brown. Probably far too much packaging, a lot of plastic wastage. And then another great reason why I bought this is they came with these strap locks. You can get these strap locks that you actually replace the, what do they call them? The strap knobs? The bit you attach the strap to on a guitar. You can get ones of them that are like lockable and permanently screw them into the guitar. Or I do have a few Planet Waves straps which have an end that you kind of twist a little cog and it like closes around it and locks it on. But these are just, it's just one of those mindless, stupid, you know, it's like, it works perfectly, so why wouldn't you? It's like a really dumb but good solution, and if a solution works it's not dumb. Well, what's that phrase? Anyway, let's see what they look like on a guitar. I mainly bought them for the acoustic because my old strap was like kind of leather. I think it was actually real leather, but it was starting to rot. I mean, that's kind of to be expected because it was several years old. I put the brown one on and get rid of this string. Yeah, they have the strings as well if you have an acoustic without a... I should look up what that's called. The knob to attach the strap is not on some acoustics, so you need a string to tie it to the headstock. I probably have this on backwards. Yeah, I do. Or actually backwards for me. I like to have them this way so that the extendable bit is at the bottom. I don't know if everyone does that. And then these little strap lock things slip on over it, and now the strap should basically never pop off of that. Oh yeah, it's actually plenty long enough. It's like, could do with being adjusted to be a bit shorter for this guitar. So yeah, anyway, that is the Irich 3-piece strap set off of Amazon, which I just thought I'd take a quick look at. It's very good quality. They feel fine. They feel as good quality as any other straps I have. They're just nylon like, but that's preferable to leather, which might rot. $17.99 I think it was in euro for 3 straps, which is excellent. I'll put a link to it in the description if anyone wants to take a look. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.